MeghalayaPost.news
Kumkawi na katong banpensuk ikpajba bat bandon ke jingajan haga jingyo jingmontoy na kikam syakri ke sarkar ka Office u Deputy Commissioner ke Bhoi la pentip bala aibor ki Block Development Officer jongbarok ki block bat ki baderu ki Magister ban ay ke order namata ban penyo ye ki birth nedat certificate syakitu ki badung kam hapok ke district habai keren bakilat patai kubor u Deputy Commissioner ke Bhoi u Abilash Paranwal ulaong bakadau bala penkubor ye ki Magister ne BDO haman ki block ban ay ke order kalau mat pensuk ikpajba bat kimdon kamsyu banwan sedu nongpoh bat bagi paiba kila banyo ya ka order lang bagi magister bat kila pat ban ibu segi PHC ne CHC banyo iki birth certificate ne death certificate hadin bagi layo ya ka order ulai turu balapun kubor iki magister kibadi ki BDO ban le yakane hakbai de bat ka birth ne death certificate katgum ka jingpul kubor jongka Registration of Birth and Death Act 1969 Central Act number 18 of 1960 and Meghalaya's Registration of Birth and Death Rule 1999.
So birth certificate, whenever people try to get birth certificate for their children, if the children are more than 1 year of age, they have to get an order from a magistrate certifying that the child has been born, and so that the necessary birth certificate can be issued by the nearest public health center or let's say community health center. However, till now people had to come to nongpoh to get these orders from magistrates or ADMs. Now we have authorized our BDOs, who are also executive magistrates, to take hearing of such people who want to get their birth certificates and issue orders from their end. With that order, they can go to their respective PSC, CSCs and get these birth certificates.
So we have taken this a step because we want to bring administration closer to people. We want to make administration as much accessible to them as possible, so that they do not have to come to nongpoh altogether. People will not have to come from Mohati, Umsning, faraway places, all the way to nongpoh to get these orders. They can go to their respective block offices and get this done. So from in Bhoi, yes, I'm not aware whether it is happening in other parts of the Meghalaya or not. But as far as I know, in other districts probably it is being done from the district only.
MeghalayaPost.news